Alright guys, what's up? It's me. We're back, and we're back at them. We're over at Clinton today. Below the old spillway. I went and got me some bait. Got me a few shads. Couldn't find the boatloads I was looking for, but did get me enough to go fishing tonight. Maybe save some for another day. We got some bluegills. We got live bluegills for cutting up later or send out whole. I got two out right now with clickers set, and then I got cut bait rod out with cut bait on it. And it's tied on a new whopper popper I just bought today. Let's try it out, guys. Yep, we're down here to Spillway. Spillway's way up there. It's always crowded. Tons of people usually up there, so I usually come down here till it gets dark. And all them people clear out. The hell, first cast and gets tangled. It's not very impressive. Yeah, not what I wanted to see. I'm getting tangled up first cast. Damn it. Oh, you got tangled up around the wheel block part. What's the old flop and flopper? Let's run into some stripies. Some big old stripies. Yeah, cast there, buddy. Bluegill boy. Yeah. He's dancing. What's going on with him? He's going crazy. I wonder if something's messing with him. Earlier, guys, it hurts. It still hurts like crazy. Yeah, my knee is just killing me right now. That's crazy, guys. You see that? That damn fish jumped out of the water with that damn bait. He was crooked with it. It's crazy. Oh, something chasing it. Some big old V come up. got him. Gar? Yep. It's looking like Gar. Yep, and Gar. Short nose. Short nose little Gar. Come here, shorty. Yeah. Fish number one, guys. Fish number one on the plopper. On the plopper. Quit. There, he come off. Yeah, let's toss him back in, guys. Oh, he's trying to bite me. He's trying to get me. He's trying to get me, guys. He's trying to get me. Alright, get out of here. Old nasty damn thing. Old nasty Gar. I ain't what I was looking for, but I'll take it. Tug on the line, guys. Tug on the line. Yep, it's definitely a tug. Alright, restart the clip. Just caught that one, guys. When we started the clip and this rod started bending. Yep, it's cut bait. He's fixing to take off with it. Oh, man. He's still in there freaking out. Here we go. Here's your cut bait again. Come on, Bubby. There we go. Come on. Eat it. There we go. So I pick my damn rod up. Starts cranking on it. The buffoon. My baby's getting nervous now. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on, Bubby. Come on. Come on. Take it. Oh, come on. Make my day. Yeah, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Swimming with it? Yeah, he is. Yeah, he's swimming with it now. Come on. Damn Gar already know. He's back. Yeah, he's back. He's back. Come on, eat it. got his ass, guys. He got him, whatever it is. Ooh, he's fighting too. He's fighting pretty good, guys. Whatever it is. He's a little bit dry too. Get out of the rock. Come on, get out. That might not be a gar. That might be a cat. Oh, it is a cat, guys. Yeah, kitty cat. Yeah. Nice Channy. Nice Channy cat. Nice channel. Yep. Where's my phone? Oh no. Did I leave my fucking phone sitting on top of my truck? Are you fucking kidding me? No way. No way I did that dumb shit. There it is, guys. I think I left my phone up on my goddamn truck. Yep. I think I walked off and left it up there. I can run up there and grab it. Get him off real quick. Yeah, we'll get him off here. Get him on his way. I gotta run back up to my truck real fast. I did that shit. There. Alright, guys. Nice little kitty cat, though. Nice, healthy, thick one. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy. Thank you for biting. Big boy. Keep going. Alright, guys. I gotta run back up my truck. I'm pretty sure I left my fucking phone up there. I don't have it on me anywhere. I don't think I took it out of my pocket either, so I'll be right back. Yep, there's my phone. Sitting on my bed. Oh, I left her, thank God. Need a bunch of things down here. Whew. Oh, man. Yep. Go back dark, I'll let you leave. I'll go up to the spillway. Try it up there before I leave. Alright, whew. There we go. Alright guys, we're back fishing. I actually got my phone now. And I'm gonna start casting down here a little bit. Little plopper, see if I can pick something up. Also a lot of top water action down there. Oh, damn, lures all tangled up. Would be. There's some untangled. Finally. Motherfucker. Hung up in something. Prick. Yep, he's hung up in something. Pull him out of it in a minute. Walk over here on this other bank. Here's cut bait. Yeah. Come on now. cut bait rod keeps getting hit. I might have to put cut bait on this one. A little plopper. I'll take them bluegills off and put cut bait on it too. On the backside of the log. Perfect. Here in front of me. And cut bait rod again. Shut this thing down for a minute. Ow. God damn, my knee hurts. Yeah. Might be another kitty cat, guys. Could be another kitty cat. Ain't act like no gar. I need to check that one out. I feel like it's hung up in something. Damn bluegill probably got me in something. Huh. As soon as I pick this rod up, he starts biting. Maybe I ought to hold it. This being right next to it. Yep. Perfect. Ooh, flopper's gone, guys. Oh no, now this one's going down. Uh-oh. How did I get on this one? Stay off. Whatever it is, swimming right towards me. Another gar? Yeah, another gar. Fish number 3. Fish number 3. Oh man, he come off.
3. Fish number 3. Oh man, he come off. That's a big one.
2. Came off right at the bank. Unhooked himself for me. That was nice. That was nice. Yeah. He inhaled that damn whopper plopper. Yes, he did. Ah, damn it. Oh, right at the edge of that damn thing. Look at that. There we go. Alright guys, I'll be back when I get a bite. Got his big ass. Got him, guys. Got him on the old plopper. Yeah. Let's see what we got in. Probably another gar. Oh, it came off. What a fucker. Yeah. What a fuckle stick. Oh, look at that cast. Good damn. Alright guys, just got a bite on the old cut bait again. I'll turn on the light here. So maybe we can see something here. Maybe. Maybe not. Shit. There we go. Now we can see it. Yep. Alright. Move upstream here a little bit, guys. Let's get a little closer to the spillway. Maybe try this little opening up here where the other creek dumps in here, or whatever that is right there. I didn't throw out a night crawler. Just for a big old carp. Yeah. I was thinking about moving, guys, and started moving this line a little bit, tightening it up, and it started biting again. So I'm gonna do that now. Try to get him to eat his bait, and I'm gonna move. Yeah, it's chewing on it pretty good. There we go. Got his ass, guys. It's big. Oh yeah, what is this? What is this? Wow. It's got size to it, guys, whatever it is. That's a gar, that's a big one. Get my light on here. Come on, light. There we go. Gar, he snagged. Oh, he ain't that big. He just all wrapped up in the line. Look at that. Yeah, he ain't that big, guys. I gotta shut the slide off. These damn bugs are killing me. Wow. Yeah, them bugs are bad. Whew. Alright, come here, dude. Let's get you off. I'm gonna move. Yep. Let me get him off there. I'm gonna move. No, where the fires go? There they are. Right over here. Yeah, dude, quit. A fat little short nose though. Look at that. Yeah, you got a hook in the belly, didn't you, buddy? Yes, you did. Quit. There, you're done. I went tangled my shit up all again. At least I'm able to get this one out. The last one I had to retie. Yeah, my shit's so jacked up it wasn't funny. Ooh, man, these bugs. Turn the spotlight on, they come out bad. Alright, I'm gonna hook this one up. I'm gonna move upstream. Use some shallower water. Here, buddy, come here. Quit. Alright, guys, there he is. Mr. Gar fish. Going back in. Alright, buddy. Thanks for biting. He's off. Ooh, damn. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Alright, I'm gonna reel these other 2 lines in real quick. And we'll get out of here. I'll see you at the next spot, guys. Alright, guys, we're back. Spot number 2. These bugs are horrendous. I'll be back when I get a bite. I'm not at spillway, but I'm just with some guys up there right now, so I'm waiting on them. As soon as they leave, I'm gonna slide up there. I'll be back and get a bite. Alright, guys, spot number 3. Move back down to the parking lot area. This little mouth creek opening comes out in here. Just in its mouth. Just see that rod out and I already got a bite on it. Ain't got another rod in yet. Gotta find me something for a rod holder. Ooh, yeah, come on, Bubba. Do it to it. There it is. You go back in there, Bubba. So here. Yeah, something big, guys. Oh, there it is. Look at that bad hell, look at this bank. What's that, another kitty? Oh yeah, another kitty, guys. Carp. A big old carp dong. Yep. Big old carp dong on the wormy. Yep. You don't see that very often. Oh yeah, he wanted to get a night crawler, didn't he? Come here, come here, come here, quit. Quit. Alright, buddy. Just chill out. You're a big old boy. Yes, you are. You are a big boy, aren't you? Yeah. Ow, you fucker. That got me there, didn't you? You did. Just about got me. Started flipping and flapping. I was trying to get him off. Alright, quit. There, hooks right in his bottom lip. Yeah, stay still. Goofy ass carp. Come here. Ain't look at you, then I'll handle you, I guess. Hold still. Get a circle hook out of you. Alright guys, let me see if I can get a hold of this guy. Show it to you. Alright. Here guys. Big old fat carpy carp. Big old carp dong. Alright, we'll get this release on this guy. Alright guys, there he is. Big old carpy carp. Big old carper. We'll let him go, let him grow. He's a little mad at me right now. Yeah. He's a little mad. There he goes, guys. He's off to the depths. Later, buddy. Thanks for biting. Got him on the old night crawler. Hunting all extension, guys. Keep an eye on my YouTube channel. New videos uploading all the time. Later, guys. Alright. Well, let's do it again. That's kind of fun. Man, he tore the shit out of that. Whew. Yeah, that was nice. Yeah. That was a nice old tug on the line, guys. Yeah, got out through the old night crawlers on her now. A bonus fish. Bonus fish. Trying to figure out what I was going to throw on this other rod for a little bit. I'm going to go up and get my flopper. I might do that now. I got this one out of the water. In a minute, I might run up and grab my flopper. Do that. I had to click or set on that one. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to run up there. Swap this box out for that other top water one. So I have my flopper back. I'll be right back, guys. That's taking off with his rod, guys. We're swimming with it. There's that bluegill head. Get 18 with that damn. Same time. What am I supposed to do here, guys? Take this one. Still in there? You drop it. You drop it. Yep, he's still there. There's that one there too again. Damn it. Got his ass, guys. This damn clicker off. What do we got here? A big cat? Hopefully. Don't feel like I'm behind him gar. What we got, guys? What do we got? Get the phone out. Doing that much. Don't want to give him slack. Ain't no slack. Get the phone down there. What do we got? That damn turtle. Better not be. I'm mad. Damn turtle. What is that? Oh, this is a damn turtle. Oh damn, I thought we had something good, guys. Yeah, I thought we had something good. You peel and drag like crazy. Big old soft shell turtle. And just my luck. These are the pliers. Oh, turtles are us. Just when you think you're gonna catch a break. Get old dum-dum right inside the head. Come here, dum-dum. Come here. Oh yeah, you got that good, didn't you? Oh man. There you guys. So you gotta do with these damn turtles. Quit. Let my damn circle hook. Come on. Give it back, I don't want to choke you. Damn, hook's in there too, guys. That hook is in there. Good. Quit. Your dumbass ate it. I can tell you too. Damn it. Let's get that turtle. Come on. There, now get out of here. He's gone. He's mad. Pissed off turtle. Man, that was cool. Just kind of rushed. Saw I had a big old flathead or something. Big old blue cat. Nope. Stupid turtle. Now they never did come back either. He was running with it pretty good too. Huh. I don't know. Alright. Let's let Boo go out of here. I'll chop his head off. Send it back out. Okay. Alright. Ready, set, match. Alright, let's tie a flopper on. Change it up. Yeah. There we go. Everybody in. I'm gonna put that nutcracker rig back on here again. Toss it out of this bank. Yeah, that's me. Here we go, guys. There we go. Oh, I missed him. What happened there? Yeah. What the hell that was, guys? He was gone with that piece of bluegill head. Oh, there's another rod now. Where's she going? Where are those rods tonight? I didn't feel him whine. Yes, he was. Huh. Buckwheat, come on with it. I'm going to recast her head piece again. Check it, make sure I still got my head bait on there. Okay, rolling. Got some messing with his head bait. Let's start ripping some drag. Trying to catch more little fish for my aquarium at home. Got my net. Got a itty bitty little bluegill. Got quite a few in this bucket. They would kill me putting them all in that tank. Have a little school of them. Oh, there it was. Quit hitting it. Some big mofos out there flapping around, I'll tell you that. How's that? What is that? Damn gar swimming upstream with a shad in his mouth. Is that shit or not? Okay, it's coming out of the water. Big old shad in his mouth. Douchebag. People thought he was walking around with it. How's that, guys? That drag starts ripping. I turned you guys off instead of turning you on. Man, it all hurt the raccoons over on the other bank. There's like 3 of them. Whole family. More than 3. That's mama and babies probably. Put that back down. He quit biting. Jackass. No way. See he comes back. Some kind of fish swimming around there. Look at him. Carp. Oh. There we go. Come on. Yeah, come on, buddy. Come on. still there or not. Set it back down again. And wait. A little bit longer. I'm getting ready to go. I'm gonna start packing some of my stuff up, guys. Wait to see if this comes back and then get out of here. If he starts biting again, I'll be back. We got that fish, wherever it is, guys. I went reeled in and he was on there. It's feeling like a turtle. Yep. Acting like a turtle. Oh, maybe not. Did this come off? Nope. What is this? Can't tell, guys. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? Ain't no damn turtle. What is that, Carp? What the fuck is it, cat? Holy crap. I think it is a cat. Yeah, it is too. Nice cat. That's a nice cat, guys. That's a nice one. Yes, indeedy. That's just what the doctor ordered right there. Yeah. Guys, let's get this dude up here. Get a weight on him. Yeah, you're nice. You are fat. One of the bigger ones I've caught all year. Oh, you prick. Quit. You're getting me all wet. Come on, get up there. Quit. I'm gonna let you go. Right in a whisker. Get a whisker hook, guys. Oh, come on. Man, them hooks did not come out. There we go. Yeah, that's a nice one, guys. That's a nice one. Open the damn owl. Quit. Quit. Yeah, that's a nice fatty there. That's a nice fatty. Keep the scale out. I gotta wait on him, then we'll get him back in. Stay right there, Bubby. Quit. Oh, here we go. Brand new scale. I haven't tried it out yet. Here's pounds. Fish is in out. Oh, those are like damn clampies, aren't they? There we go. That's nice. See there, guys. He's smaller than I thought. Almost 6 pounds. Yep, just 6 pounds. Alright. Alright, guys, there he is. He's 6 pounder. Almost 6 pound. Just shot it. That's nice, nice tanny though. Nice one. Second one of the night. I'm Alex Henson. Check out the YouTube channel, guys. Video coming soon. Night was a multi-species kind of night. Yep. Later, guys. Big bugs. Alright, let's let this guy go. Yeah. Here, Bubba, we'll let you go. Yeah, thank you for biting, though. Do appreciate it. Let go of my damn grippy. There we go. You soak me, Bubba. You soak me, buddy. Doing a video for the old Facebook, guys. Alright, guys, we'll let him go. Let him grow. Come here, buddy. Thank you for biting if I get over your big butt. Come here. There, big guy. There we go, guys. There we go. There he is. You good, buddy? Huh? You good? Let's sit there and chill. There he goes. He's kicking off now. Yeah, thank you for biting, big boy. You made my whole night. Made my whole night. I was hoping a big old kitty cat come along. And he did. Alright, guys. Stay tuned for videos, guys. Alright, guys. On that note, I'm out of here. I'll see you on the next one. If you like this content, like always, hit that like and subscribe. And hopefully these cats are going to turn on and start pounding out some videos for you guys. Later.